Hi class. So we're back here for the final video. Well, I thought we already had the final video. This is really the video that's going to be discussing homework examples, right? So let's get right into it. Oops, excuse me. So this first part A, right, is asking you mod 12 in pitch class. Reduce the following integers to an integer mod 12, 0 to 11 inclusive. Use the PC clock phase diagram to aid your calculations, right? So 13, right? Well, 12, 13. I went from 12 to 13, so 1, right? 15, 12. 1, 2, 3, so 12. 13, 14, 15, 3. Or you just subtract 12, right? Okay, you guys seen how this works? 20. 20 minus 12 is what? 8. Let's do one of these negative numbers here. Negative 5, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. Easy enough, right? Now let's look down here at this section, right? Talking about these transpositions. It says transpose Tn, transpose the following PC sets given in integer notation, c equals 0, right? So, bracket, transpose by 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Bracket. Let's do one like this. Oh, that's 0. Never mind. Let's do number 4 right here. T5, bracket, right? 5 plus 11 is what? Well, it's 16. 16 minus 12 is 4. Or you can come up to this wheel. 16, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4, right? All I did was did this on here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4, right? Easier just to subtract 12 though, isn't it? 16 minus 12 is 4. Excuse me, I already did that one. 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 1 is 6. Boom. Transposed right there. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Inversion. So transposed inversion, inverted transposition I should say. Invert the following PC sets and give an integer notation. Use the two-step procedure shown in the following example, right? And we're inverting it first, right? Invert, then transpose, right? Okay. So they inverted it. 8. What plus 8 equals 12? 4. What plus 6 gets 12? 6. 5 plus what equals 12? 7. So that's the inversion right there. Then what they did is they transposed it by 10. 4 plus 10 is 14, minus 12 is 2. 6 plus 10 is 16, minus 12 is 4. 10 plus 5 is 15. Oh, excuse me, 7. Gosh. Excuse me. 10 plus 6 is 16 is 4. 10 plus 7 is 17 minus 12 is 5, right? So let's do an example here. Let's do 2. Invert 7 becomes 5. 8 becomes 4. 9 becomes 3. Then transpose it by what? What does that say? I can't even see right here. It says transpose by 9, right? So 5 plus 9 is what? 14 minus 12 is 2. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 plus 9 is 12, or 0. 2, 1, 0. Normal order would be 0, 1, 2. Right? Okay. Note that the TNI operation may also be performed using a one-step procedure. The procedure involves subtracting each number of the set in turn from the index n of TNI for instance. Don't worry about that. Do it the way I had you do it. Interval class. Provide the interval class names of the following intervals by using the numbers 0 through 6. 0, right? We know what this is. We know what this is. 0 through 6. 0 meaning minor second. So what is this? This is a major third. So minor second is 0. Major second is 1. Minor third is 2. Major third is 3. Alright, okay. No, I didn't do this. Back and front. Okay. Interval vector. Great. And this is nice. They give you the, how nice is that? They give you the, let's do number 2 though. They give you the brackets to fill out. Man, how nice is that? Honestly, what I would do, I still do my tally method. I go minor second, major second, minor third, major third, perfect fourth, tritone, and so on. So I go from D to F to D flat is a major third. So 1. F to E is a minor second. And D flat to E, right, is what? A minor third. Inharmonically speaking, right? D flat to E. So 1 0 1 1 0 0. There we go. Or you could do this, whatever you want. D to F to is a major third, right? Is a minor third, is a minor second. You could do that too. Notate the given PC set using staff notation in the space provided. Then determine the normal form and prime form. Okay. We have A, E, and E flat. A, E, E flat. Okay. So how do we determine the normal form? Well, this number is 9, right? What is E? 4, 3? So 3, 4, 9, do you think that's it? So we started with E flat to A. Okay. Yeah. E flat to A would be what? Well, it's just a tritone. So 6, 6. 6 half steps apart. If I started on E, I would go E, not, you can't go down, go E, A, E flat. No. If I started on A, oh. If I started on A and went up to E, the highest note would be E. That would be 7 half steps. So normal form is 3, 4, 9. Now remember how we got to prime form? We have to reduce that first number to 0. So subtract 3 from everything. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. There's our prime form. Okay. You see what I did there? Great. So that's what we have to do on this page. For each of the following sonorities, trichords and tetrachords, determine the normal form, the prime form, the forte name, and the interval vector. Ooh, yeah, this is fun. So we just did what I did with the normal form. Now what we have to do is the prime form. So once you find that prime form, right, you're going to go back and look at that forte number on page 559, or maybe it's 560, right? It's a few pages long. Find that forte number and write out that prime form. You have to find your prime form first, though. And remember how we find that? We have to find our normal order. Let's just do number 1. We have E, G, and F, right? Well, probably the smallest interval is going to be a minor third. G to E would be a major 6th. G to F would be a minor 7th. So I started on F. I would go F, G, E. Major 7th. Nope. If I started on G, it would be G, E, F. Minor 7th. Nope. So I started on E. And E is what? E is 4. F is 5. G is 7. So my normal form is 4, 5, 7. Therefore, my prime form is what? Minus 4, to get that to 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. Great. Okay. So if we go to our book, I'm just going to do this real quick, guys. If we go to our book, right, I go to page 659. Sorry, not 559. Is it 659 or is it 559? It is 559. I was correct. And my prime form is what? 0, 1, 3? It is 3-2. Let's do the interval vector now. E to F, right? That's a minor second. E to G, that's a minor third. So this is a major second slot. This is a minor third slot. F to G is a major second. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0. Let's look at page 559. 3-2, 14 number 3-2, prime form 0 1 3 has an interval vector of 1 1 1 0 0 0. Yes, we did that correctly. Good for us. Great. So you're going to have to do the rest of this. Okay. And this is an analysis, right, of From Ritual to Romance for Solo Piano by Reginald Bain. Awesome name, right? Which opens with an atonal passage. Try to play the example and then answer the following questions. Well, let's listen to it. Let's see if I can play with this camera in the way. There it is. So you're going to have to answer questions about this. Determine the normal form of the initial 4-note melodic gesture. C, C sharp, G, and F. So this is guiding you through, this whole page here is guiding you through the process of analyzing an atonal piece of music using set theory. I don't think I had you do this composition. If I did, don't do it. And now we get to our 12-tone matrix, right? So what you're going to do is what we've done in the previous video. If you need help, go back to how to form a 12-tone matrix. You're going to fill out F, E, C, A, G, D, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, B. And then you're going to fill out the inversion for this. F, down a half step, up a half step. Right? Up a perfect fifth. Right? F to C, down a perfect fifth. Fifth is fifth, so A sharp. Up a major third, down a major third. F down a major third would be C sharp. F up a major second, F down a major second to E flat or D sharp. F down a minor third, F up a minor third or G sharp. Okay, I think you guys can fill out the rest. Given the video that I did, it's about 16 minutes long. Oh, then you'll have to write out I-5, right? Which, lucky you, I just did part of it for you. I will be looking at this. You will need to take a picture of this, scan it, send it to me, drop it off at my house somehow. Then B, answer the following questions about the structure series from Berg's Lyrical Suite. This is also another fascinating tone row. You guys are going to be astounded at what you find on this piece of music here. Hexachords, right? Tetrachords, right? Triads. You're going to find that all of these are so relatable. It's going to blow your mind, right? Series form. Given the P2 from the series of Schoenberg's 4-string quartet, notate the following series forms. The first note has been done for you. You better get out your 12-tone matrix, right? Does it give you one? Let's see. No, it doesn't. So you better get the Word document that I posted on Canvas in chapter 27. It's on there. It's on 12-tone matrix template. Download that, print it off, and you can do part C here, right? Analysis, right? So this is just more analysis of a 12-tone series. This is one where you're gonna have to dig through and find this row, right? You're gonna have to find this row. Full Moon is based on a 12-tone series, right? That's what it says up here. It employs a single series from P. What does that say? 7. So we know P7 starts on G. First, identify the series and notate it using the treble clef on the staff provided. Hint, the series presented for the first time in measures 1 through 3. The order of the pitch classes in measures 3 is E flat, B flat, G flat, D flat. Okay, so obviously we have G. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E's carried over. 6, 7, 8. And then it says the order is E flat, B flat. So 8, 9. Then B flat is 10. G flat is 11. And D flat is 12. There is your tone row. See the rolled chord? That gives it away. It's not just stacked, it's rolled. So the G comes first, then the F, then the E, then the B. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. A is 5, G sharp is 6, D is 7, C is 8. Then it gives you the hint, E flat, B flat, G flat, D flat is the order. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you're going to have to find and label the row again. Well, here's the G, 1. Now next I'm looking for an F. There's 2, then an E, there's 3. I better be looking for my B next. Where's my B? Where is my B? So this is tied over, so this doesn't count, right? This is all tied over, so where's my B? Well, there's my F and my G again, doesn't count. There's my B. Part 4. Note 4. Next thing I'm looking for, I'm doing too much of it. I'm doing way too much of it. You guys are going to have to do it. But do you see that? It's sneaky. That D flat is held over, tied over, so don't be sitting there and going 1, 2, 3. Well, that's not a B. Well, guys, that's held over from the 12th note of the tone row up here. And this F and G have already been sounded, right? We had the E, so we're looking for the B, and there's our 4. So the next note we're looking for is G sharp. Right? G sharp. No, excuse me, the next note we're looking for is A. And there's our A right there. 5. Then the next note we're looking for is 6, which is G sharp. Boom. See how we're doing this? And we're going to fill it out. There we go. And one more. Moon Rises, Ernest Krennic. Yeah. Full moon. Gives you the tone row right up here. You've got to find them. This is one of those homework assignments, guys, that I'm going to require you to drop off at my door. Okay? And here's some more tone row stuff. Yay. Lot of work. And there's a blank tone row matrix. Okay? So, get working on this. Don't put it off. It's a ton of work. Okay? So, till next time, guys, take care.